She rises at 7:29. By the time she glances over, the clock reads 7:30. In her robe, she pours a cup and washes what was dirty. I said, oh, mama is my alarm clock. 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 Now everybody knows that mama knows best. She knows when to wake me and when to let me rest. Now, silly me is drunk asleep, fixed with just one sock. I have no fear, cause mama's here, and she's my alarm clock. I said, oh, mama is 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 my alarm. Play it, Leo! May bite and kick and turn as mama pulls the blinds, but Lord knows not what mama does. Her knowledge is of a kind. Yes, Papa wakes and listens to the radio man talk, and mama's downstairs typing clickety-clack, and she's my alarm clock. I said, oh, mama is my